Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today in this video I wanted to share the camera that I picked up for a rental, the GFX 50S by Fujifilm. I was able to rent this out for free because the original rental I had, there were scheduling conflicts. Just to clarify, my original rental was a X100B and was going to take it to an event that was happening in the city. But the guy at the camera store was able to hook me up with a promo deal with a 3-day free rental. So I definitely had to take the opportunity. This won't be a formal review, but I will show some aspects of the camera. The rental came with the lens, battery, and the strap. The lens that came with it is the Fujifilm GF 35-70. You can charge the camera by plugging into the USB port. And there is a movie and still switch mode, which is very convenient. So my plan for this camera is to bring it to the city for an event. I'll be filming and taking photos on this camera, so there'll be no editing, no film simulation, just straight out the camera, just to give a feel of what the quality looks like.